Pangolin versus Armadillo, the ultimate armor-clad showdown. Introduction: a clash of evolutionary defenses. In the wild, survival is often dictated by an animal's ability to adapt, defend, and outmaneuver predators. Two creatures that have taken defense to a whole new level are the pangolin and the armadillo. While they may look similar at first glance, both covered in protective armor and known for their ability to curl up, these two animals are actually worlds apart in terms of evolution, behavior, and biological adaptations. But what if these two defensive warriors were to face off? Which one is the superior survivor? Which has the most effective armor? And if push came to shove, which would have the upper hand in a hypothetical encounter? This deep dive into their biology, defense mechanisms, and survival strategies will determine who reigns supreme in the battle of nature's most armored mammals. 1. Evolutionary background and classification. Despite their external similarities, pangolins and armadillos hail from completely different evolutionary lineages. Pangolin, order Pholidota, family Mannidae. 1. Native to Africa and Asia, pangolins are the only mammals fully covered in scales. 2. Their closest relatives are carnivorans, such as cats and hyenas, though they have evolved into specialized insectivores. 3. There are 8 species of pangolins, each uniquely adapted to their environment, ranging from tropical forests to arid savannas. Armadillo, order Cingulata, family Dasypodidae. 1. Found in the Americas, particularly Central and South America, with one species, the 9-banded armadillo, reaching the southern United States. 2. Armadillos are part of the Xenarthra superorder, making them close relatives of sloths and anteaters. 3. With over 20 species, armadillos display a range of defensive adaptations, from rolling into a ball to burrowing at high speeds. Though they appear alike in many ways, their armor, defenses, and overall strategies for survival are vastly different. 1. Armor and defense mechanisms. Pangolin, the scale fortress. Pangolins are famous for their keratin scales, which are unique in the mammalian world. These scales, 1. Function as impenetrable armor against most predators, including lions and tigers. 2. Are razor-sharp at the edges, making them dangerous to anything that tries to bite them. 3. Act as a defensive weapon. When a pangolin curls into a tight ball, its overlapping scales create an almost invulnerable sphere. Additionally, pangolins have a powerful, skunk-like musk they can release from their anal glands, deterring predators. Armadillo, the plated tank. Armadillos, on the other hand, are equipped with a bony shell made of osteoderms, dermal bone plates covered by a keratinous layer. However, their armor differs in key ways. 1. Only a few species, such as the 3-banded armadillo, can roll into a complete ball. 1. Others rely on speed and burrowing to escape threats. 2. Unlike pangolin scales, which overlap and flex, armadillo plates are rigid and segmented, allowing for some flexibility but not complete protection. 3. Armadillos lack offensive capabilities. Their defense is purely passive. While both creatures rely on armor, the pangolin's scales offer superior protection, making it less vulnerable in a direct encounter. 1. Strength and combat potential. Though neither pangolins nor armadillos are aggressive animals, a hypothetical battle between them would be an interesting showdown. Pangolin's advantages. 1. Stronger armor. Its keratin scales are sharper and tougher than the bony plates of an armadillo. 2. Effective rolling mechanism. A curled pangolin is nearly impervious to most predators, whereas many armadillos cannot completely enclose themselves. 3. Claws as weapons. Pangolins possess strong, curved claws, which they use for digging, but in a fight, they could also be used for slashing an opponent. Armadillo's advantages. 1. Greater speed. Some species, like the 9-banded armadillo, can sprint at surprising speeds and even jump vertically to evade threats. 2. Burrowing ability. If threatened, an armadillo can dig itself underground in seconds, escaping rather than fighting. 3. Tough but brittle armor. While strong, its shell is rigid and does not offer the same level of flexibility as the pangolin's scales. Who wins in a battle? If a fight were to break out, the pangolin would likely have the edge due to its tougher, sharper armor, stronger defensive capabilities, and potential offensive claw attacks. The armadillo's best bet would be to outrun or dig to escape, but in a direct confrontation, the pangolin would likely outlast it. 1. Feeding habits and survival strategies. Pangolin, the insectivore specialist. 1. Equipped with an extremely long, sticky tongue, a pangolin can slurp up thousands of ants and termites in a single meal. 2. Has no teeth. Instead, it relies on keratinous spikes inside its stomach to grind up food. 3. Primarily nocturnal and highly secretive, making it hard to track and hunt. Armadillo, the omnivorous opportunist. 1. Eats insects but also small vertebrates, plants, and even carrion. 2. Unlike pangolins, armadillos have peg-like teeth for chewing. 3. Uses its powerful digging ability to find food underground, making it a more versatile forager. Armadillos have a more diverse diet, while pangolins are hyper-specialized insect hunters. 1. Predators and threats. Pangolin's main threats. 1. Big cats, lions, leopards, tigers, occasionally prey on pangolins, though their armor often makes them an unappealing meal. 2. Humans pose the biggest threat. Pangolins are the most trafficked mammals in the world due to demand for their scales and meat. Armadillo's main threats. 1. Jaguars, pumas, coyotes, and birds of prey frequently hunt armadillos. 2. Unlike pangolins, armadillos are easier to kill due to their softer underbelly and less flexible armor. 3. Human activity, including habitat destruction and roadkill, is a leading cause of mortality. Pangolins, while better protected against natural predators, face a greater human-driven extinction risk due to illegal wildlife trade. 1. Intelligence and adaptability. Pangolins rely on stealth, armor, and nocturnal habits to evade threats. They are solitary and secretive, making them hard to study. Armadillos are more adaptive, thriving in a variety of environments, from forests to urban areas. They have even been observed learning from experience. Though both species are survival specialists, armadillos have greater adaptability, while pangolins have superior natural defenses.